Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time and has a long track record of success. He is most famous for his long-term investing approach and his ability to pick stocks that consistently outperform the market. One of his key investing philosophies is to invest in what you know and to never compromise on business quality. He also emphasizes the importance of having a well-diversified portfolio and choosing stocks with a long-term view. Furthermore, he recommends investing in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund and planning to hold it forever. Let's find out top 5 holdings of Warren Buffett's portfolio. Number 1. Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated is the holding company for Warren Buffett's investments and is the largest holding in his portfolio. It is a multinational conglomerate holding company that owns a diverse range of businesses including insurance, retail, real estate, and finance. Berkshire Hathaway is known for its long-term investment strategy and has a history of successful investments in companies such as CocaCola, Wells Fargo, and American Express. As of October 2021, the market capitalization of Berkshire Hathaway is around $624 billion, and the stock is trading at around $347,000 per share. Berkshire Hathaway has not seen any significant changes in its portfolio in recent months. The company has been focusing on its long-term investments and has not made any major acquisitions or divestitures. Number 2. Apple Incorporated is the second largest holding in Warren Buffett's portfolio and is one of the most valuable companies in the world. The company is known for its innovative technology products such as iPhones, iPads, and Mac computers. Apple has a strong brand and a loyal customer base, which makes it a reliable investment for long-term growth. As of October 2021, the market capitalization of Apple is around $2.4 trillion, and the stock is trading at around $124 per share. In the first quarter of 2021, Berkshire Hathaway increased its stake in Apple by 5%, bringing its total ownership to 9.3% of the company. This suggests that Warren Buffett and his team believe that Apple is a strong investment for long-term growth. Number 3. Coca-Cola Company is a long-time holding in Warren Buffett's portfolio and is considered one of the most reliable dividend-paying stocks. The company is a global leader in the beverage industry and is known for its iconic brand and products such as Coca-Cola, Sprite, and Fanta. The company has a strong track record of consistent revenue and earnings growth, making it a reliable investment for long-term growth. As of October 2021, the market capitalization of Coca-Cola is around $198 billion, and the stock is trading at around $52 per share. Berkshire Hathaway has not made any recent changes to its stake in Coca-Cola. The company has been a long-time holding in Warren Buffett's portfolio and is considered one of the most reliable dividend-paying stocks. Number 4. Wells Fargo and Company is one of the largest banks in the United States and is a significant holding in Warren Buffett's portfolio. The company offers a wide range of financial services such as banking, mortgage, and investment services. Wells Fargo is known for its strong balance sheet and conservative lending practices, which make it a reliable investment for long-term growth. As of October 2021, the market capitalization of Wells Fargo is around $104 billion, and the stock is trading at around $29 per share. In the first quarter of 2021, Berkshire Hathaway increased its stake in Wells Fargo by 4%, bringing its total ownership to 9.3% of the company. This suggests that Warren Buffett and his team believe that Wells Fargo is a strong investment for long-term growth. Number 5. American Express Company is a financial services company and is a long-time holding in Warren Buffett's portfolio. The company is known for its credit card products and its strong loyalty program. American Express has a strong brand and a loyal customer base, which makes it a reliable investment for long-term growth. As of October 2021, the market capitalization of American Express is around $110 billion, and the stock is trading at around $118 per share. Berkshire Hathaway has not made any recent changes to its stake in American Express. The company has been a long-time holding in Warren Buffett's portfolio and is considered a reliable investment for long-term growth. It is not possible to predict with certainty which stocks Warren Buffett will add to his portfolio in 2023, as his investment decisions are influenced by a variety of factors and are subject to change. However, Warren Buffett and his team at Berkshire Hathaway typically look for companies that have a strong brand, a loyal customer base, and a history of consistent earnings and revenue growth. They also look for companies that have a strong balance sheet and conservative management. Some potential stocks that Warren Buffett may consider adding to his portfolio in 2023 include technology companies such as Amazon, Facebook, and Google, as well as healthcare companies such as Johnson & Johnson, and pharmaceutical companies such as Pfizer. However, it's important to note that these are just speculative predictions, and it's always important to conduct your own research and analysis before making any investment decisions. Here are some of the key takeaways from Warren Buffett's investment philosophy that could be useful for investors in 2023. Number 1. Invest in what you know. Warren Buffett advises investors to invest in companies and industries that they understand, as this will help them make more informed decisions. Number 2. Focus on long-term investments. Warren Buffett advises investors to focus on long-term investments, as this will help them avoid the short-term volatility that is often associated with the stock market. Number 3. Avoid chasing short-term gains. Warren Buffett advises investors to avoid chasing short-term gains and instead focus on long-term growth. Number 4. Look for companies with a strong brand and loyal customer base. Warren Buffett advises investors to look for companies with a strong brand and a loyal customer base, as these companies are more likely to generate consistent earnings and revenue growth. Number 5. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions. Warren Buffett advises investors to stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions, as this will help them make more informed and rational investment decisions. It's worth noting that these are just general advices, and it's always important to conduct your own research and analysis before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more updates.